Hey friends, if you wish to fix issues related to Bluetooth connections on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Bluetooth and devices tab. Let's say this was the problematic device, remove it. Okay, now go to the device, activate Bluetooth on it once again and click on Bluetooth here. Okay, and then you can try connecting to the device once again. So I will do it from the devices end. Okay, and then pair it once again. So it says connection succeeded now. Mostly this will fix the problem, but if it does not, on the same page, go to the system tab, scroll down and select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and then click on none corresponding to the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Okay. And the last solution is to update the Bluetooth drivers. Search for device manager and then open device manager, and then you can expand the list of Bluetooth drivers. Right click on the MediaTek one and then update the drivers. Search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.